Dominique. Hey.
No, I don't want
Wow, it's your first day of school.
to. Yeah.
What's your name?
Damoni Kelly.
Yeah. Where are you going?
To school.
Yeah, it's your first day?
Yeah.
What grade are you going in?
To pre-K.
Oh, you gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a pretty uniform.
Yeah.
Okay. Walk to the car.
But I forgot my books.
It's on your backpack.
Yeah, but I forgot it in your car.
Oh, they're in my car?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I love you.
Yeah.
You have a good day at school, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to Mommy's car.
Alright. But I got tired stuff and I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I like you too. But you see my pack book?
Yeah, your backpack.
My backpack?
Yeah.